How can you get started on a newspaper? So this is for those who are reading the newspaper for a first time. What are the parts of a newspaper? Any article in a newspaper has a main headline, which I think you all have seen, followed by a sub-headline or the topic sentence, and then the main news. For most parts of the newspaper, if the main news is long or has details, then the main news is also sometimes covered in timelines. So then the newspaper becomes an easy fare for anyone to read. It is a myth to believe that I have to read the whole newspaper. Most times, on the front page at least, reading the headline is enough to understand the news, maybe followed by the topic sentence, unless you are interested in the whole story. If reading is the purpose of newspapers, then the editorial page has to be read in whole. Whereas if GK is the purpose, then headlines will do, and what you should do is learn to skim and scan the main news for details like names, places, etc. A complete coverage of a cause célèbre is a main news doing rounds, will only be done in the editorial section of a newspaper, where you find history and perspective. Or maybe sometimes a magazine also does an edit. So invest in a magazine. Front page always gives you facts. So first decide what is the purpose of your newspaper reading and then follow these tips. Thank you.